All right, we are ready to put part 1, 2, and 3 together. It's important that you realize this technique will build each time you play the song. So play this song every week and you will be developing techniques that will carry you throughout the rest of your playing. Okay, we're ready to put part 1, 2, and 3 together. Let's go ahead and review. Remember, part 1, you'll find the black keys, the set of 3, take your fist and roll up twice, and roll down twice. Roll up twice, and finish. Black, white, black, white, black, black, black. Okay, when we get to part 2, you'll look for the set of 2 black keys and start with the top one and say black, white, black, white, black, white, black. Find the set of 3, black, white, black, white, black, white, black. Walking up, again, and then finish. Black, white, black, white, black, black, black. Switch hands with that key. Put your right hand on the top set of 3 and do the right, left, crossing over. Again, right, left, crossing over. A third time, right, left. This time you keep walking down. Left, right, black, black, black. All right, let's go ahead and try that full song.
1, 2,
Find the
set,
set of
go.
3, make a fist. Roll up twice, and down twice. Roll up twice, and finish. Black, white, black, white, black, white, black, white, black, white, black. Walk up again, and finish. Same note, switch hands. Right, left, crossing over. Right, left, crossing over. Right, left, crossing over. And we'll finish with 3 times. Okay, that's all 3 parts of Peter Peter. Repeat that song over and over because we're just building technique. And then we're going to move on to the next song and add additional techniques.